What the? What? Bleepity bleep bleep bleep, say it.
Oh my fuck!
Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
We are Vocal Lab Collective.
Cheers!
How are you, Katie?
I'm so good.
You know why I know you're good?
Why?
Because we're going back into the land of Morissette.
My favorite land ever.
It's so good.
Yes. So here's the thing, though. With this specific video, you guys told us in all those comments to watch. So we're very excited. This is her original.
Yeah,
We might butcher this, is the thing. So
say it.
Akin ka na lang.
Okay, I'm going to say it. Akin ka na lang.
That's what I said. I just said it faster.
Maybe.
But please correct us if we are wrong.
We don't know. We're calling it AKNL.
So we are very excited
because the last thing we want to do is butcher the language.
Yes, because it's a beautiful, beautiful language.
Yes.
So this is her live on Wish 107.5 again. She's live here again.
I love that little jingle. Let's go.
Yes.
We're on a bus.
Let's do
All
it.
these people.
Jump in.
It's live. Morissette. Here we
This is
go.
her original. I'm so excited to get to see her original.
Do you want to play that drinking game again?
No.
Okay.
Because we would die. We need a whole nother bottle. She looks beautiful.
Always. Her skin, too.
Wish 107.5.
That's my favorite part. Oh, God, she's pulling me in. Brilliant.
Oh my God.
That meat. The depth.
I have chills all over again.
Oh, I'll be yours. Oh.
She makes me melt.
She's mine.
We have to share it.
Okay. Again, I love she's sitting down singing.
Oh, her runs are so effortless.
Effortless.
And hug you? That's what hug you sounds like in that movie.
I know. It's
Gorgeous.
gorgeous. Yes, you'll be loved back. We love you.
Here she goes. She's gonna open up here. She is. I cannot stand how much I love
so
that.
bad. I want it so bad.
I can't, like, there's nothing to say here. She's just...
What the? What? Bleepity bleep bleep bleep, say it.
Oh my fuck! Holy cow! What even just happened? Oh,
what was
my
that?
gosh.
What?
You guys! Holy cow, you wrecked us! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! And do you know? Do you,
say it.
okay. Hearing this song, so hearing her original stuff, you know who she is reminding me of?
Tell me.
Selena. Not Selena Gomez. People.
9.
No.
Selena.
The one and only
Selena. You're right.
1990s
You
Selena.
are so right.
This song
She's
is
the Selena of Asia.
Yes. But
Good call.
Thanks.
Damn.
But with the pipes of Mariah as well.
Mariah.
Like she is literally Selena and Mariah if they had a baby. Right?
God, I want that baby.
She's right there.
Oh.
Whoa, I'll give you a second.
Wow. I mean, fan-frickin-tastic.
Okay, we have to keep listening. There's more.
But I don't know that I can go on.
Well, you walked
Can
out
my
the last
heart
video,
or my mind
so.
or my soul
Yes.
or my breath
because
take more?
It blesses. You're not dramatic at all.
No, it blesses, but it also, like...
You walked out the last video. You
crushes.
have to stay here with me and
Okay,
listen
we're
to
back
her.
in. Here we go. We have to acknowledge that seemed like one frickin' effing breath.
One breath the entire
Like,
time. I love
how?
when you get so lit.
How? How?
So incredible. And you know what?
I
As
was
she
in this-
singing,
Oh,
I literally,
girl.
like, I'm going to be bold again. She's making me bold. I would love to
You've
see
never
her.
had a problem being bold.
No, I never have, but she's made me more so. I've never had. Hang on, I just repeated what you said. I would love to see her and Ariana Grande sing side by side, and
Oh,
I
yeah.
think she would top.
She would top. Making that statement right now. She would top.
She would top. Nothing to say, nothing against Ariana and what she has, but when it comes
No.
to vocal agility, dynamic, and the expansion in her voice,
Oh, the
And
expansion.
you can hear a person's character in
Yes.
their voice, and
Yes.
the calmness, strength, and humility. Also, there is a tone there that actually took me to Mark Anthony from his
Ooh.
song, the theme
I love
song
me
in
some
Zorro.
Mark Anthony.
Do you remember that theme song?
Yes. I
So
love
there was
Mark
something
Anthony.
something in her voice that triggered me to Mark Anthony.
That's really a cool point.
Yeah.
It's
So
like
she
we're on The
has-
Masked Singer right now.
Yes.
It is. But
Could
it's
you
not Mark
imagine,
Anthony.
everyone?
It's
It's
Morissette. You know what I want to hear her do too?
Hmm.
I want to hear her sing like some worship songs.
Oh my gosh.
Because
yeah.
I would
like
literally...
old school though.
I would-
Old school gospel.
I would literally die and go to heaven.
Yeah. For one thing, if she sang Bridge Over Troubled Water.
Do a duet with me on that one,
Oh
Morissette.
my gosh. And then why should I mean, she's just insane.
Again, she is sitting down with all that craziness in her vocal.
That was it.
Wish 1075.
Oh, God. Oh,
So effortless.
that
and
may
you
be
know
my
what?
favorite part. Wish 1075.
I don't have that.
Do try. You
Like-
do have it, just
like,
not right now.
Holy cow.
Too much wine, but you can do that.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. And her whistles are so just there. They're very tasteful. It's
They're
not
very
like,
tasteful. They're not forced.
Y'all, you have wrecked us in the best way. Oh my gosh, she's incredible. I want to put her in my pocket and carry her around everywhere I go.
I think I just did.
Every vocal. my gosh.
Wow.
What was I gonna say?
We're wrecked. We're wrecked. We're done.
We're wrecked.
We
We're
are done.
But there was something so good I was gonna say.
Doesn't matter at this point. Morissette, we love you.
We love you.
All of our subscribers, we love you. Katie, I love you.
I love you too. I love you guys. Continue to share this with your friends and let us know what other songs you want to hear. You want to watch us. You want to hear us cover. Actually, we could.
We're done.
But we're done. I'm Katie Talbot.
And I'm Jason Catron. Until next time, we are Vocal Lab Collective.